Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your playlist on Soundcloud website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually here using the Brave website, but of course for you, you can use any other websites could be possibly working for you, even if it's Internet Explorer, right? Anyway, after you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that will actually take you into this page. And first of all, you would like just to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you would like just to go and create your account. Of course, you can create your account with a Gmail or Facebook if you don't want to go through all the steps of the boring steps of creating your account. So after you log in into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And you may have here different songs, different tracks, different artists, different listening history, depending on what you actually have on your account. So of course, if you want to delete a playlist, first of all, just go to your profile by clicking at your name right here, then click at your profile. So of course, from here, as you can see, that will be your profile. And if you want to delete a playlist, just go to the option of playlist, which is right here. And as you can see, that is actually our playlist. And of course, I have just 2 songs on it. So of course, if you don't have a playlist, first of all, you would like just to go and click at any song you have here. Click at add to playlist and then click at create playlist. Of course, you can make it public or private. Then of course, just click on save and the playlist will have this song. So of course, when you create your playlist, you will find it right here. So let's say an example, you get bored of this playlist and you want to delete it. Simply, if you want to delete it, just go and click at more. Then you will have here this option of delete playlist. So as you can see, are you sure you want to delete test 99? This is just the name of the playlist. This action cannot be undone. So if you want to really delete it, just click at delete. And as you can see, playlist, you haven't created any playlist, and I don't have any playlist even if I refreshed. So that will actually be for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.